Hello, good morning. I'm back with another job with Ashton Carter. The company is Ashton Carter. And the job role for this job will be remote customer service rep for $20 per hour. And it's a contract job. The full job description: must live within 40 miles of Broomfield. The customer care rep 1 provides premium service and builds relationships with our customers through effective telephone, chat, email, and social media correspondence. Majority of calls will be discussing logistics of packages, returns and refunds, product questions, and warranty questions. Schedule: must be open to a schedule for Monday through Saturday from 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock p.m. Training schedule: Monday through Friday, first 2 weeks, 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. Cannot miss any time. At home environment: must be quiet and have zero distractions. Must be quiet and have zero distractions. Internet speeds 40 megabits per second. Skills: customer service, call center, customer support, typing, retail, customer service oriented, customer service, hospitality, Microsoft Office, call center, customer care, and inbound call are the skills that you need to have for this job position as a customer service rep for $20 per hour. About Ashton Carter: it's established in 1997, and Ashton Carter is a leading staffing and consulting firm providing high-caliber talent and premium services to more than 7,000 companies across North America. Spanning 4 continents and more than 200 offices, we extend our clients' capabilities by seeking solvers and delivering solutions to addressing today's workforce challenges for organizations like looking for innovative solutions shaped by critical thinking professionals. Visit AshtonCarter.com. Ashton Carter is a company with Allegis Group, a global leader in talent solutions. The company is an equal opportunity employer and will consider all applicants without regards to race, sex, age, color, religion, national origin, veteran status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, genetic information, or any characteristic protected by law. Now, this job is currently hiring. Job just posted, so jump on it. It's with Ashton Carter. It's a remote customer service care representative position for $20 per hour. It is a remote position. Now, the next job that we have is a relocation specialist with AppleOne. It is based out in Kent, Washington. It's a remote position and it starts at $25 per hour. It is $25 an hour and it's full-time. It's a full-time job position. And if you can get hired on. This is about the company, AppleOne. Searching for a career can feel like running through a maze. You never know if you never know if what you're doing is really working, and it's easy to get lost. What you need is someone who's been through it all before. Someone who knows the terrain, maybe clue you in on a shortcut or two. That's where your AppleOne hiring advisor comes in. We'll act as your own personal PR firm, giving you all benefits of a dedicated team to promote you. After all, a single sheet of paper can't possibly communicate everything about you. So we take the time to find out what really makes you tick and do everything we can to uncover all the things that make you desirable to an employer. Then our team of professionals goes to work marketing you to your target companies as well as our exclusive employment partners who have trusted us to find them talent for 50 years plus. AppleOne benefits. AppleOne cares about the health and well-being of our associates. So we have arranged to offer guaranteed limited medical plans with additional options of comprehensive coverage subject to underwriting. Benefits include medical, dental, 401k, credit union, and hospital cash benefit, term life with accidental death, bonus programs available in select locations only, Associate of the Month and honor that can earn you extra cash and recognition in participating branches only, computer tutorials, and a variety of computer software programs, flexible scheduling, weekly paydays. And these are some of the testimonials that have been placed upon this AppleOne website. And I would like to start with looking at some of these. You guys just scan through some of these testimonials, and that's that. And the company details, headquarters is Glendale, California, United States, and employees are 1,000 to 5,000 employees with this company, and the industry is a consulting and business services. And again, the pay for this job is $25 an hour. It's a full-time job. The benefits is a health insurance for this job, and full job description is join our team, exciting team, and be hands-on contributor. You will be working with the onboarding of new hires through the processes of international relocation. As a relocation specialist, your responsibilities include, but not limited to, maintaining caseload, delivering impeccable customer service, communicating company plan, program, and policies, serving as the point of contact, and advocating for customers. We are looking for someone with exceptional time management and organizational skills to adapt to a high level volume workload. Excel and Outlook are used daily. This is a full-time position with benefits, opportunity for growth, and opportunity to work remotely. If you are interested in becoming a relocation specialist, apply with your resume today. AppleOne is proud to be an equal opportunity employer pursuant to applicable state and municipal fair chance laws and ordinances. We will consider for employment qualified applicants with arrest and conviction records. So they will consider felons for this job, you guys. Relocation specialist, AppleOne, $25 per hour, full time. It is based out in Kent, Washington. And it just got posted today, August the 11th, 2022. If you can, they were hiring. They never said how many people they're hiring for, so it could be as many as 1 to 1,000 or more. So if it sounds like something you'd like to do, you guys, these two jobs, relocation specialist and to be a remote customer care representative for $20 per hour, and relocation specialist for $25 per hour. You jump right on it. Give this video a like if you like my content and if you like the resources that I've given to you through my channel. And keep on watching, keep on sparkling your diamonds. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for coming back, and good luck, you guys, on your job search, and see you in the next video.